spaghetti. Okay, dahil this time is mealtime, you can create your own spaghetti by putting sauce and lots of cheese. Okay, ready na ba ang all kids crew? Okay, isang malakas at masayang spaghetti in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you will say spaghetti in 3, 2, 1. Okay, you will create your own spaghetti.
Ellie, pour it.
You will put some sauce.
Ellie, pour it. Pour it.
And then after that, you will put some lots of cheese.
Yeah.
And enjoy your meal.
The other side. The other side. Good job. And then cheese. Cheese. Ah, you don't like cheese?
Okay, we're doing some spaghetti. Meron din tayong drinks which is orange juice. Huwag na lang aalas ang ating kids flow dahil ipamimigay namin ang inyong mga
You don't like
drinks.
cheese? Mix mo. Mix mo, Ellie. 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 Mix mo.
Dito na, hindi ka ganun. Hindi ka ganun. Isa. May tissue ko. Okay na, kaya sunay. Just like. Hindi mo yan sila kaya. Yung sauce. Yung sauce eh. Saitin mo. Yung saitin mo yun. Yan. Okay na, okay na, okay na. Okay na, mahal. Kaya na, kain.
Okay, this time po, para po makita yung mga picture and also video. Okay, para po makita yung mga picture na ginawa ng mga bata, magpapalagit ko ako dito ng mga pangalan ko sa Facebook, kung ano po yung pangalan sa Facebook. Tsaka po i-add namin sa GC. Thank you po.